ओके एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू बिल्लू की बकबक। और इस बकबक में मेरे साथ भाग ले रहे हैं ऑफ कोर्स लारा दत्ता, इरफान खान और मैं तो हूँ ही यहाँ पर। और मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि कोई भी फिल्म कंप्लीट नहीं होती क्योंकि जो उसके कैप्टन होते हैं, जैसे हम कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप कहते हैं, जो बेस्ट मैन होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से फिल्म बनती है, चलती है और कभी बिगड़ती नहीं है, वो उसके डायरेक्टर होते हैं। सो मैं अभी बुलाने वाला हूँ, जैसा मैंने आपसे प्रॉमिस किया था, प्रियन सर को, जिन्होंने बहुत खूबसूरत खूबसूरत फिल्में बनाई हैं। विरासत बनाई है, भागम भाग बनाई है लारा के साथ, और lots and lots of films. उनकी मैं जितनी तारीफ करूं वो कम है. So everybody put your hands together for our most wonderful and loving and lovable director, Mr. Priyadarshan. Good evening, sir. Welcome on the set. Wow. हाँ प्लीज, ये हमने जान के किया भाई, जो आपने हमें तकलीफ दी है उसके लिए क्या क्या आपको गिरा दें फटाफट से. फिर what would you prefer me to talk in English or Hindi is better for you? I can speak in Tamil also.
Yeah, then.
Narkunda narcha paida vandare saapad soke ma rendu plate idli.
I mean, then it's better you speak in English.
Okay. I want to know, you are looking for a superstar. I don't know how to ask you this, but I of course know why you chose me. I know. I mean, apart from.
No, I mean, I don't know why. I mean, please tell me why I chose
Okay,
you.
please publicly don't say. Is it because Rajni sir said no?
Yeah.
And all the other superstars said no to Priyan sir. He said, Aki said no, Amir said no. They said no, we don't want to go to Pollachi. So there's only one man who wants to go to Pollachi and shoot. So that's why I was the only one left.
I think I am one of those. I think I'm the only one director from South who has come here and survived here in the Hindi film industry for last 50 years. I can't see anyone who has survived here, and I thought I had a great career, and
You wanted to end it, so you.
No, maybe even if I end it before I end it, I really wanted to work with a superstar.
Oh, thank you so
and
much.
without you, I think my career would not have been complete in Hindi films. And I really thank you for giving this opportunity to me.
Okay, tell me, do you get bothered? You were telling me once about Lara that they're very obsessed with their hair and all. Do you get bothered with actors who are obsessed with their hair? Or aisa, they keep combing. A lot of actors I know.
I mean, it really irritates me. I don't understand after each shot why do they take so much of care on. Even now, I have not understood. After 77 films, I have not understood. Why each shot? Why do they touch?
I agree with this. I think Priyan sir and I must have had at least an argument at least 5 times on the set as to why are you leaving your hair open in this shot? So like, but you made me have such long hair, might as well show it off. But you're the only woman who's ever served food with her hair open.
You took us to Pollachi, which is your favorite place. It's really beautiful. Irfan said he really liked it. Lara also loved it. I, of course.
You were planning to buy some.
I also wanted to plan. We all planned, but then we dropped the plans. But that's a different thing. Tell us, who started this rumor about Pollachi? And your wife also suggested this. I have somebody who's vouching for this. I spoke to her once and she was telling me that your hair fall when you take a bath in Pollachi water.
That's true. Absolutely right.
And you felt it not your duty to tell any of us before we went to Pollachi?
I told the production to take care of that because including Anil Kapoor lost her hair there. So you can imagine.
Oh my, yeah.
So it's pretty bad. You can see most of the South Indian actors doesn't have hair just because they shoot a lot of films in Pollachi.
Pollachi?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm not joking. It's hard water and it really. I didn't want to tell you.
So why are you enjoying saying this?
No, I didn't want to enjoy because you were looking for one excuse not to come to Pollachi. So if I tell this, that's the end of it. I was sure that I would have shot it in Film City. Anyway, but whatever said and done, when you see the film, are you not happy about Pollachi?
I love Pollachi. I think it looks like the most beautiful part in the world.
Yeah.
But so the shots in which I am not there also, they also look very beautiful in Pollachi.
Yeah.
So the next film we'll do, then you can shoot in Pollachi and we'll bathe in each other's houses.
No, they have no problem. Only you have problem.
पानी को can we market it like shaving करने के लिए you put water?
Just put for hair removal.
Yeah, hair
We can start an
removal.
industry there.
Correct.
We can give it to the Champu Nai that we had.
Yeah.
So thank you everyone, and I would only like to add that I can just only be thankful to all these great talents and wonderful people for making this film come true. और हमारी जो कोशिश है कि नई कहानी है उसमें सादगी है, खूबसूरती है। प्रियन सर का डायरेक्शन है। 75 से ज़्यादा फिल्में कर चुके हैं और जब ये मुझसे मिले इन्होंने यही कहा कि मैं जो है यही फिल्म बनाना चाहता हूँ और 75th फिल्म मेरी यही होनी चाहिए। सो इंशाल्लाह हम मुबारकबाद भी दे सकेंगे और खुश भी होंगे। इरफान, जिनकी मेरी आंखों में बहुत इज्जत है एज एन एक्टर, जोक्स अपार्ट, जो हम मजाक कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं, वो इसलिए क्योंकि हमारी एक दोस्ती है, कॉमराडरी है पिक्चर करने में। लेकिन इरफान हमारे वक्त के, हमारे समय के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टर्स हैं इंडिया के अंदर और इंशाल्लाह हमारा नाम दुनिया भर में इनकी वजह से फैलेगा। एंड लारा के बारे में तो जो कहूँ वो कम है। I can only say personally a very big heartfelt thanks to her for being a part of this film, being Bindia in बिल्लू बार्बर। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ प्रियन सर भी और हम सब कि लारा ने जो ये रोल हमारे लिए किया है उसमें हम कोई कमी या क्षति ना करें। एंड आई ऑल्सो टेक एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू थैंक करीना कपूर, प्रियंका चोपड़ा एंड दीपिका पादुकोण for coming and acting in the film in guest roles. And of course Om Puri Saab is there, Rajpal Yadav ji is there, Asrani Saab is there, some really wonderful cameos and good acting. And Om Puri ji यहाँ पर नहीं आ सके आज, लेकिन one of the nicest performance in the film is his. So I hope you all enjoy Billu Babar. We've enjoyed making it, and sorry if we've told you a lot about Billu Babar and Champu, but we will leave you now. But before that, I will make sure that Priyan sir and Irfan, who are the greatest dancers in the film industry after me, because I can also join the ranks, and Lara to we know, of course, she's not included in this compliment. We are going to dance to one of the hottest numbers from Billu Babar, Love Mera Hit Hit Soniye, तो कर ऐसी मत कर ऐसी खिटपिट सोनिए। एंड वी विल शो यू कि प्रियन सर के जितने टैलेंट हैं, 75 फिल्में तो बनाई हैं, लेकिन जो ये डांस करते हैं, ओ हो आप देखेंगे तो पागल हो जाएंगे। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, लव यू ऑल, थैंक्स एवरीवन, थैंक यू वेरी मच।